Dad, come on, the movie's starting.
I'll be right there. I'm getting some snacks.
Oh no, the power turned off. Dad!
It's probably the storm. I'll call Tri-County.
No, wait, I can just text them.
Looks like that thunderstorm got us.
Radio, truck 112.
Go ahead, dispatch.
Truck 112, looks like we've got a report of lights out at 1235 Light and Tire Road. It's gonna be pole 12-1.
10-4, we'll head that way.
Okay, truck 112, I pinged that line. Looks like that whole entire tap is gonna be out.
What'd you find?
Tree on the line up in the right of way.
All right. Well, I got an air gap in the station. We'll go ahead and back the truck up to the tree. We'll have our pre-job briefing, and we'll work on getting our grounds up there and getting the tree down.
10-4.
Back me up. All right, dispatch, we're back at the reclosers. Want to make sure nobody else is on this line before we re-energize it.
That line is all clear.
Truck 112, that line has been restored.